super excited to be the official driver of the 2018 PWT. It's going to be an awesome year on the tour. All the guys have had all winter coming off of a great season last year to focus on the tricks and get everything dialed. It's going to be a blast to watch it from the mirror this year. Driving the Supra SA 550 on the tour is super easy. I just put the throttle down and hang onto the steering wheel. It drives itself. You know, it's a lot of fun just to be there and be in the action, and I get to have fun with all my friends out there on the water. Supra did a great job this year with the customizations for the PWT boat. It looks absolutely awesome. I had it down at my house for a little while before the tour got started, got familiar with the boat. It looks absolutely awesome on the water. The wake's huge, the waves are great. The riders are going to kill it this year.